Alright, we're gonna I like this little beat right here. Yeah, this is a nice little beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be on a DIY ring light for under $25. All of these products can be found at Walmart and everything will be linked in the description box. So you're going to need a wire wreath. You're going to need some wax paper. You're going to need aluminum foil, some zip ties, at least 100, some rope lights. Cool white is better because it replicates daylight, and a cardboard cutout. So the first thing you want to do is put your wreath on your cardboard. You're going to outline the outer circumference and the inner circumference of the wreath with a Sharpie. Now you're going to get some scissors and you're just going to cut that out. You're going to cut out the outside circle and you're going to cut out that inner part, so all you have is the outline of the wreath. Next, you're going to take your aluminum foil and you're just going to wrap it all around your cardboard cutout. Now you're just going to align your rope lights on your wreath, your wire wreath, and then you're going to zip tie the lights to the wreath. What I did, I just followed the pattern of the lines on the actual wreath for my outlining. Also, I forgot to mention, you do want your rope lights to be on the outside of your wreath. So your wreath is kind of in like a semicircle shape. You do want it to be on the part of the wreath that goes towards the outside, if that makes sense. Now what you want to do is you want to just pull the zip ties towards the bottom of the wreath, and you want all of the zip ties to be going towards the inside. Now you just want to cut the zip ties off. You want to get as close to the base of the zip tie as possible, just so there isn't a whole bunch of like texture. I wouldn't say texture, a whole bunch of like, you know, extra pieces. So you do want to cut those ends off. Now you want to grab your original piece that has the aluminum foil on it, and you want to put your wreath on the top of that, and you want to put the lights facing upward. So you know how I said that you want to put the lights on the part of the wreath that go outward, like bubble up. You want to take zip ties and you want to just put it through the wires of the wreath. This is really hard to explain. You want to put the wire through the wires of the wreath, and then you're going to pull it towards you, like towards the outside, and you want to pull it really, really, really tight. When you're all done attaching your wire wreath to your aluminum foil piece, you want to just cut those ends off as well. Now you want to take your wax paper and you just want to tape it all around your wreath. You also want to make sure to get it as flat as possible, you know, make it look neat a little bit. This is for just like a diffused light look. this is the last step. So we're going to be testing it out after we're done. See, we're all done with the ring light. And now we're going to be testing it out. So 1, 2, 3, and it works. So I ended up not liking the diffused soft white light look. So what I did end up doing, I just kind of cut the wax paper off. If you like that look, that's why I showed it, just in case you do like that diffused light look. But I wanted mine to be a little brighter, so I just cut the wax paper off. And that is the end of this video. I love how it came out. You see, I'm really shocked that it came out good. But thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace, love, positivity, and happiness. Bye, guys.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me some.